Study Hub 10th class. This is Shravan. Today let us learn how to multiply and divide any given number with 5 within few seconds. So to multiply any number with 5, we need to divide the given number with 2 and put a 0 in the end. Let us check with the example. So 76 into 5. As I have said you, divide the given number with 2. 2 3s are 6. What is remaining? 1. 1 6 16. 2 8s are 16. 38. And as we have discussed, put a 0 in the end. So the multiply value of 76 into 5 is 380. So now I will explain why we are dividing the given number with 2 and why we are adding a 0 in the end. So what we have? 76 into 5. When I see this 5, I get into mind, if I multiply the 5 with 2, it can be 76 into 5 2s is 10. And as I have multiplied with 2, I will divide with 2. As I have multiplied with 2, I will divide with 2. So that 76 divided by 2, we can solve easily. And this 10, 38 into 10 will be 380. 192 into 5. Just simply divide the given number with 2 and put a 0 at the end. So 2 9s are 18, 1 remaining, 1 2, 12, 2 6 are 12 and add a 0. So by using this technique, we can multiply the given number with 5 within few seconds. Next example, 484 into 5. Just divide it with 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 0. See how fast we can solve. The other example, 2358 into 5. What we do? Just divide the given number with 2. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 and 1 remaining, 1 5 15, 2 7s are 14, again 1 remaining, 1 8 18, 2 9s are 18 and a 0. So we have a little bigger number, 654328 into 5. If we solve this multiplication in a traditional way, it will surely take more than 90 seconds. But by using our technique, we can solve it in few seconds. Like divide it with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, and as we have 5 into 2 10, that 10 multiplies and this is the answer. So by using this technique, we can multiply any given number with 5 in just few seconds. Now let us learn how to divide any given number with 5. So in dividing any given number with 5, we need to multiply the given number with 2 and put a decimal to the last digit. So let us check with an example. 135 divided by 5. As I said you, multiply the given number with 2. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 617, 2 1s are 2, 370. And I said you, to the last digit put a decimal value which will be equal to 27. So the division of 135 with 5, the answer is 27. So I will again explain you why we are multiplying with 2 and why we are taking a decimal. So we have 135 divided by 5. So instead of dividing this 135 with 5, I'll just multiply it with 2. So 5 2s are 10. As I have multiplied with 2, I will also multiply with 2 in the numerator. As I have multiplied with 2 in the denominator, I will multiply with 2 in the numerator also. So now I'll get this in the form 135 into 2 by 5 2s are 10. See, if we have 1 0 in the denominator, we will get a decimal after the 1 value. For example, if we have 136852 divided by 100. So we are dividing this number with 100, and how many zeros we have in the denominator? 2 zeros. So our answer will be 1368.52, because as we have two zeros in the denominator, we will push the decimal value to 2 numbers. So in this way, when we have 10 in the denominator, we have calculated 135 into 2, which is 270, and 270 divided by 10, we can write 27. We can also cancel 0, 0. Okay. Now let us see the second example. 870 divided by 5. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 2, which is 870 into 2. So 2 sevens are 14, we have 0 already. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, 40, 5 2s are 10. We can cancel 0, 0, and the answer is 174. As compared to the regular division method, 870 divided by 5, like 5 1s are 5, 3 remaining 37, 5 7s are 35, and 20, 5 4s are 20. When compared to this regular method, the technique which we are using to multiply and divide with 2 is far better. 4575 divided by 5. What we will do? We will just multiply and divide by 2. So 4575 into 2. 2 5s are 1 carry, 0. 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. And 5 2s are is 10. Cancel these zeros, the answer is 915. 62843 divided by 5. Just multiply and divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 6 are 12 by 10. As I have already said you, when we have 1 0 in the denominator, we will push the decimal value to one digit, like 12568.6. I think now you have understood the importance of this technique, because when we want to divide this with 5, it may take more time, but by using our technique, we are solving it very easily. Now let us see the fifth example. In the fifth example, we have taken a little bigger number, so that you will understand how fastly we are calculating by using this technique. 3248 614 divided by 5. I am sure it will take more than 1 minute to calculate this in a regular method, but by using our method, let us see. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10. As we have 10 in the denominator, we put a decimal before the one digit. So can be solved under in a few seconds. So friends, this is all the techniques to multiply or divide any given number with 5. So in our next video, we will come up with more multiplication techniques. Thank you for watching our video. Please encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.